Hi everybody. Today we are going to solve the problems in exercise 2.5. So from second bit, so which all are applied questions. It means all statement problems. Let us see how they are. So first second one is, what number is that of which the third part exceeds the fifth part by 4? What number is that of its third part is exceeds its fifth part by 4? Okay, we don't know the number. Let's the number be x. Its third part of the number, third part of the number equal to x into third part means into 1 by 3, that is x by 3. Next to fifth part, of the number equal to x into 1 by 5, that equal to x by 5. Okay, third part means into 1 by 3, fifth part means into 1 by 5. So as per condition, what is the condition? Third part of the number exceeds fifth part of the number by 4. అంటే ఈ థర్డ్ పార్ట్ అనేది ఫిఫ్త్ పార్ట్ కంటే 4 ఎక్కువగా ఉంటుంది అంట. దిస్ పార్ట్ ఈజ్ 4 మోర్ దాన్ దిస్ పార్ట్. ఇది దీనికంటే 4 ఎక్కువగా ఉంటుంది. సో హౌ కెన్ యూ ఈక్వేట్ దట్ టు ఈక్వేట్ దిస్ టూ we have to subtract from the greater number or greater part. So it is 4 more than this part. So that means it has more. It is more than this. So how much it is more? 4. So by subtracting that more value, these two will become equal. Okay, then. So these two are variable. Now come to the equation part. So these two are variables. So write it left side. This is plus x by 3 will become minus x by 3. It is constant. It will become plus 4. So no need to write plus. It is x by 5. 3, 5 LCM is 15. They are prime numbers, also co-primes. Their product is the LCM. 3 5s are 15. So x into 5, 5x. Minus 5 into 3 is LCM. 3 into x, 3x. Equal to 4. 5x minus 3x is 2x by 15 equal to 4. Then 2x equal to 4 by 15 will become into 15. Okay. X equal to 4 into 15 into 2 transpose right side, it will become by 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. X equal to 15 2s are 30. What is the x? The number, the required number. The number equal to 30. So this is the required number. Next, third one. Let us see. Third one is, the difference between two positive integers is 36. The quotient when one integer is divided by the other is 4. Find the integers. So what is given? The difference between two integers is 36. Difference between two integers. Let us take one is x, another one is y. Difference of these two is 36. Okay, so but our chapter is linear equations in one variable. Don't write the y. So here x equal to plus 36 will become minus 36. minus y transposing right side plus y. So y equal to, instead of y we can write x minus 36. That means if one number is x, the other one is or second one is x minus 36. If one integer is divided by another integer, a integer is divided by another integer, the quotient equal to 4. Then find the integers. Okay, so let us write in pair. So first of all, let one integer is integer equal to x. Therefore, the other integer equal to x minus 36. Since difference is 36. Since difference equal to 36. Next, if a integer as per condition, what is the condition? If a integer is divided by other one, the quotient equal to 4. So one integer x divided by x minus 36 gives 4. Don't write x minus 36 by x, because it is x and it is x minus 36. That means by observing these two, it is the greater number. By dividing greater number by smaller number, we will get the integer. Otherwise, we will get fractions, that is proper fraction, which is less than 1. Okay, so now x equal to, this is by transposing to right side, that is 4 into x minus 36. It has variable, but if a fraction has in both numerator and denominator, if you have the variable, we cannot simplify without transposing right side. ఒకే ఫ్రాక్షన్లో న్యూమరేటర్లో డినామినేటర్లో ఇట్లా వేరియబుల్స్ ఉన్నప్పుడు ఇది రైట్ సైడ్ తీసుకెళ్లకుండా మనం సింప్లిఫై చేయలేం. సో x ఈక్వల్ టు 4 ఇంటూ ఎక్స్ 4x minus 4 into 36 144. Now this is variable minus 4x equal to minus 144. It is plus, became minus. So that equal minus 3x equal to minus 144. Minus 144. X equal to minus 144 by minus 3. Minus minus get cancelled. 3 1s are 3 4s are 12. 2 remainder. 14 minus 12 is 2. 24. 3 8s are 24. Therefore, x equal to 48. What is the x? One integer. One integer equal to 48. Other integer equal to, what will be the other integer? X minus 36. That is 48 minus 36. That equal to how much? 12. So other integer equal to 12. So one integer is 48, other one is 12. Next one is, okay, fourth one is, the numerator of a fraction is 4 less than the denominator. If 1 is added to both its numerator and denominator, it becomes 1 by 2. Find the fraction. Given one is, the numerator of a fraction is 4 less than the denominator. Suppose let the denominator is x. What would be the numerator? Numerator is x minus 4, because numerator is 4 less than the denominator. If the denominator is x, numerator will be x minus 4. What is the fraction? X minus 4 by x. So here let the denominator same. Let the denominator of the fraction equal to x. Therefore, the numerator of the fraction equal to, it will become x minus 4. So, as per condition, as per problem, so it is given in the problem. Okay, what is the fraction? So fraction equal to, what is the fraction? Numerator x minus 4 by denominator x. So next we have one more condition, as per condition. So what is the condition? If 1 is added to both numerator and denominator, it becomes 1 by 2. That is x minus 4 by x. So both will be added by 1. It equal to 1 by 2. By adding 1 to both numerator and denominator, it equal to 1 by 2. This is the condition. So simplification. X minus 4 plus 1, that is minus 3 by x plus 1 equal to 1 by 2. Cross multiplication. X minus 3 into 2, that is 2 into x minus 3 equal to 1 into x plus 1. 1 into x plus 1. 2 into x, 2x, minus 2 3s are 6. 1 into x, x, 1 into 1, 1. 2x, taking left side, minus x. So this is plus 1. So 1 minus 6 will become plus 6. So 2x minus x. 1 plus 6, 7. X equal to 7. What is the x? Denominator. So denominator equal to 7. Okay, numerator. What is the numerator? Numerator is x minus 4. That is 7 minus 4. That equal to 3. Therefore, the fraction equal to x minus 4 by x. X minus 4 is 3 by x is 7. 3 by 7. So this is the fourth one. Next one is, fifth one is, find 3 consecutive numbers such that if they are divided by 10, 17 and 26 respectively, the sum of their quotients will be 10. So what is given? 3 consecutive numbers. What are the consecutive numbers? So consecutive numbers means, suppose 10 after 11, 12, or 20, 21, 22, or 35, 36, 37, or 48, 49, 50, or whatever. So these are the consecutive numbers. So how can you denote consecutive numbers? Let 1 be x. So what will be the next one? X plus 1. What will be the next one? X plus 2. Suppose it is 95 plus 1, 96, 95 plus 2, 97. So like that. These are the 3 consecutive numbers. We don't know the consecutive numbers, so we written as x, x plus 1 and x plus 2. So what is the condition? If these 3 are divided by, okay, if they are divided by 10, next one is 17 and next one is by 26, the sum is equal to 10. Okay, 3 consecutive numbers. Let the consecutive numbers are x, x plus 1, x plus 2. if they are divided by 10, 17, 26 respectively. The sum is equal to 10. Then find the consecutive numbers. So let the three numbers be x, x plus 1, x plus 2 as per condition. What is the condition? If three numbers are divided by 10, 17 and 26, their sum is equal to 10. This is the condition. These three numbers are divided by 10, 17 and 26 respectively. Their sum is equal to 10. Then find the three consecutive numbers. So here, first of all, you have to find the LCM of 10, 17, 26. The LCM of 10, 17 and 26. So 2 5s are 10, 17, 2 13s are 26. Five ones are 5, 17, 13 and 17. 17 ones are 17, 13. So 1, 1. So here 13. 13 ones are 13. Here it is 13 into 17. This is 221. 221 into 5 2s are 10. 221 into 10. We'll get 2210. Here 10 into how much is 2210. So here up to here 2 5s are 10. So remaining is 17 into 13. 17 into 13 is 221. So 210 into 221 equal to 2210. So into x is 221x plus 17 into how much is 2210. Here except this 7, 5 2s are except this 17, we have 5 2s are 10, 10 into 13, 130. So 17 into 130 equal to 2210 into x plus 1. 130 into x plus 130 into x plus 1 plus 26 into how much is 2210. So 13 into 2 is 26. Remaining is 17 5s are 85. So 26 into 85 is 2210. So x plus 2 into 85 equal to 10. Now open the brackets. 221x plus 130 into x, 130x plus 130 into 1, 130 plus x into 85, 85x plus 85 into 2, 170 by 2210 equal to 10. So what are the variables? 221x and 130x, 85x. So by adding these three, so what we'll get? We have 221x, 130x and one more 85x. So x, 5 plus 1 6, 8 plus 2 10, 13, 436. 436x plus constants. So 130 plus 170, 300 by 2210 equal to 10. Next, so 436x plus 300 equal to 10 by 2210, transposing right side, it will become into 2200, so that is 436x equal to, okay, plus 300 equal to 10 into 2210, 22,100. Just put the 0 beside it. So that is 436x equal to 22,100 minus 300. Okay. So 22,100 minus 300. 0, 0. So it will become 11. 11 minus 3 is 8. So 1, 2. So that is 436x equal to 21,800. So x equal to 21,800 by 436. Cancelling with 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2. 2 8s are 16. So here 2 1s are 2. 1 is not goes by 2. So 0. 18. 2 9s are 18. 0 and 0. 2 zeros. Again 2 1s are 2. So 0. 2 9s are 18. So here 2 5s are 10. 2 4s are 8. 2 5s are 10. 0. So here 109 ones are 109 5s are 545. So 0. So that is x equal to 50. So x is one of the 3 consecutive integers. So next, x plus 1 equal to 50 plus 1, 51. Next, x plus 2 equal to 50 plus 2, 52. So therefore 3 consecutive integers are, what are those? 50, 51 and 52. These are the required 3 consecutive integers.